You're back with Wana RV here in Shipshewana, Indiana. What we have here is the Rockwood GEO Pro 20 BHS. We'll be doing an exterior and interior walkthrough. Up front you have your power tongue jack with your up and down switch, as well as the on and off button for the front light. LP tanks with the cover. Battery with the battery box. And then right here is your battery disconnect switch. Flip that over. It'll disconnect your battery from the trailer so you're not losing any power on the batteries. On the front right corner you're going to have all your connections, your cable and your satellite, as well as your city water and then your antifreeze inlet. This switch here is for your front cap. This V-shaped light, it's an LED light. That's on and off. Pass-through storage there. You have a wheel for your front tongue, as well as the power cord here in this black bag. Your power cord connected in. This is 30 amp. And then this is your freshwater fill. Gas electric water heater there. Here we have the door to the bunks. This slides up. You can put kayaks, any of your storage stuff in this area. On the back of the camper you have your backup camera prep location, but for the Furion high-speed backup camera. And this is your black tank flush connection to help clear out some of the toilet paper and crud that's sitting in your black tank. There you can see the LED light strip underneath the awning. This does have a pitch, so if you want to help shake some of the water off the side, you'll bend that down. You can see it pitches the awning, or if you need a little extra sunshade as the sun's setting. This bar is for your outside griddle or your table if you want to put that on there. You'll have an LP connect right down here. The other door for the pass-through storage, a solar panel prep spot. You can put a tripod solar panel outside. It'll trickle charge straight to the battery. Here you have a touchpad to lock your camper up. If you don't want your keys with you, you can just unlock it with this touchpad and that'll unlock the camper. Solid entry steps. Going in we have the boot dinette and the slide out. Little slide out storage spot there. Roller shades throughout the camper. That helps block a lot of sunlight. Stainless steel sink with a grated cover. If you want to dry some vegetables or food off or utensils, you can do so there. See if I can turn this AC off. It is kind of loud in here. Anyway, you got a 3-burner stove top. You have your clicker here, which is spark, and then the flame will come through. Back here is a spot if you want to store knives while you're traveling. You can put those to the slits. Then you have a little bit of a bigger oven than some of the smaller campers. This Magic Chef one is a little deeper. Down below is your fuse panel as well as your breakers. You can see all your breakers lined up here and all your fuses sitting there. This is your CO and propane detector. If you get CO2 or a propane leak, this thing will start beeping very loud to let you know. The Magic Chef 12-volt fridge and freezer. There's the control for the temperature. Freezer, there's no temperature control in the freezer, it'll just stay freezing. And then your standard microwave like you'd use at home. Now put that away so we can get into the bathroom here. Going straight into the bathroom. This is standard foot flush toilet. As you can see, right on my right hand side there, you'll let that fill up, get a little water, and then you'll flush it down into the black tank. Toothbrush holder, soap holder, little storage. You've got your max air fan up above with 4 speeds. Just make sure you open it up all the way, turn it on, pull some of the stink out of the bathroom. Here's your sink for the bathroom in here. A little skylight there for extra headspace. Here's your shower miser. This is if you're dry camping and you don't want to waste your fresh water. This will turn gray once the water turns hot. That way you know you have hot water. From there, you'll go ahead and flip it into the on position. It'll let water flow up through. Turn it on here, and then the hot water will go down into your gray tank. That way you're not wasting the cold water waiting for it to get warm. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. There we go. This is for your furnace. So this will be your furnace control. The AC will be controlled from the actual AC unit itself. You got your front bed up here with storage underneath. It does come with a internal water filter, spatula. You do have your towel racks and everything that can be hung wherever you prefer in the bathroom. You got your TV. This is a 12-volt TV. You see it plugged in right there. And then as well as your radio control. It is Bluetooth capable, so you can play your own music, whatever you prefer. And then you have your Wi-Fi rangefinder as well. So if you want to boost the internet in your camper, you can do so. If you have bad connection at a campsite, you'll turn that into the on position, and you should be able to boost it back into your camper with better reception. Nice little pop-up outlet right by the bed. If you don't want to see it, you can hide it. Otherwise, you have 2 GFCI outlets and 2 USB outlets. Going here, you can control the awning slide out and lights by scanning that QR code. You have your tire pressure monitoring system. Scan that, kind of walks you through how that system works. The rims of the tires are already wrapped with the sensor band. You just need to take the actual monitor, and if it's not set up already by our technicians, you can do it yourself if you lose connection. As far as the control panel goes, it's very simple. You have this upper left corner is going to show you the capacity of your tanks. Right now all the tanks are empty and your battery is in the full position. You got your water pump, your water for, or your gas portion of your water heater, the electric version of your water heater, and then you got your tank heaters that are on the pads of the black and gray and freshwater tanks. This slide out and your awning, and then you have all of your light controls here. Again, this is the GEO Pro 20 BHS. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.